Hello and welcome. In this video we take a closer look at the performance of the careful drive mode of the iRobot S9, and as we can see with the standard driving mode the robot is some kind of sensitive, but it is also pushing lightweight obstacles around, and so my guess is that with the upcome of obstacle avoidance systems from competitors like Roomba, iRobot wanted to add more usability to the structured light sensor of the S9 and added the careful drive mode in 2021 with the firmware version 3.18.11. So in short, what is structured light? As you can see, the robot is projecting two infrared light lines into the area in front of it, and with the help of this special kind of light pattern and the reflection the robot is gathering from obstacles, walls, edges and stuff like that, it is able to measure the distance to an obstacle and the shape of an obstacle, and also detect edges and so on. And especially the distance measurement and a way to figure out what the shape of an obstacle looks like are key for an obstacle avoidance system. There are also different approaches of utilizing a light pattern in case of structured light sensoring. For example, the Dreamy Z10 Pro is using a vertical line pattern, and there are some other patterns used, for example, by Samsung. And I will do a comparison video that hopefully at least includes the newly released Roborock S7 Max V, that according to Roborock is also equipped with structured light obstacle avoidance in addition to the front mounted camera. So as we can see, the mode is working very well with large obstacles and the robot is cleaning very sensitive, but there are also some limitations to the mode. According to iRobot, smaller obstacles with a low profile and obstacles with a minimal surface area are not detected, and that is something that we will witness later on in the video, where I will throw some smaller obstacles like a cable or a phone charger into the cleaning area and the robot is not able to detect the obstacles. And also dark surfaces are maybe problematic, reflective surfaces can cause trouble. And so is the careful drive mode useful? If you're looking for less bumping, then for sure go for it. Your cleaning performance will suffer a little bit from it because the edge cleaning performance is not as good as compared to the normal driving cleaning performance. I did a comparison video about that topic. You can find it in the playlist for the S9. My main problem with the mode is that it is currently only settable as a global option, and it is only used if you do room specific or zone specific cleanings. So if you want half of your rooms being cleaned with the careful drive mode and the other half cleaned in the standard drive mode, you will always have to go into the options and switch the driving mode. iRobot announced a future firmware release that will include room-specific cleaning options, and I hope that this will also include the driving mode option, so that we can set the suction power, the passes, and the driving mode for each room. Something I want iRobot also to do is to improve the current standard drive mode so that it is a little bit more in between the current state it is and the careful drive mode, so that we have still the best cleaning performance with a little bit of bumping, but I want the bumping as sensitive as possible. So we have seen that the robot is very well in doing short distance measurements. So it should be possible that the robot is really just slowing down right before bumping into an obstacle. Let's say 1 centimeter or half of a centimeter before bumping, so that we have the best cleaning performance, a very sensitive bumping, and a good overall cleaning speed. And I hope that iRobot will do this. So that's all about the careful drive mode from my side. I will play some music till the end of the video. Thanks for watching and bye.